Fam, it's one of them days where I got bad news and I got bad and some good news, man. Look, y'all gonna want to tune into this and catch every bit of this video because this one will be detailed and very informative. So let's talk about it. YouTube family. What's good? What's going on? It's your boy Jay here today to bring y'all some informative info about things happening in sneakers this week, as well as giving y'all a first look and ways on how you could cop a sneaker that will be a lot more limited than you might possibly fathom. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here to give y'all all those gems and those early looks. Before we dive into it, if this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with the fam, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below as well. We are currently on the road to 200K, man. So if you guys will help us reach the next number up, which would put us that much closer to our goal of 200K, it would be truly appreciated, man. Thanks for all y'all support, feedback, comments, keep them coming in, all that good stuff. I'm not gonna spend too much time though, man. So let's go ahead and dive into the context of today's video. Like I said, got an early look for y'all. Got an unboxing from the Nike app that I hit, you know what I'm saying, last week for the wifey. So I think that's where we'll start, and then we'll dive into some other things going on, man. Woo! Appreciate you, bang! So man, yes, your boy Jay here. This is a light box, y'all. Like this is super light. I hope my shoes is in here, or my wife's shoes is in here. Look, y'all know sometimes it's a give and take in relationships, right? So if I buy myself something, you know, I gotta here you go, here you go, I got you a pair of shoes. Here go your $100 pair of shoes, and here go my $1,000 pair of shoes over here. You gotta finesse it sometimes, man. So this one right here, y'all, if you know, you know. Comment down below if y'all know what I'm talking about, man. But yes, like I said, this is for the wifey. I asked her if she wanted these just so I can kind of butter her up to make me feel good about my purchase that I'm about to show y'all in a second. But anyways, wifey did get her a pair of shoes that did sell out, y'all. These sold out and they're reselling, like, I want to say at the fees you're gonna be paying like $240, $250 for these. But these did sell out. They released last week on Nike, and I was able to get her size in this shoe before they did sell out. And I ain't know that this was sealed on here like that, man. I thought that this was really like just loose until you peel that little tab. I guess they changed it because now it's already sealed on them, and that's just something I just noticed. But anyways, yes, the shoe is in here. The box is light as ever. It is a red box, as you can see. Yep, get that up out of here. But this right here is a W, so it's a women's shoe. This is for her, like I said, Nike Zoom Vomero 5, y'all. This is a size 10. My wife has been getting into Vomeros lately. She's been on that wave. I don't know what's going on, but Vomeros ain't a bad shoe. Vomeros are actually good, comfortable shoes, so not mad at her for that. But the pair that I do have right here is the Nike Vomero, oh well, color blocking real quick, Photon Dust Metallic Silver, you know. But the pair that I do have is that silver and pink joint, man. Bang! Yes sir, man. Look, y'all seen them before she even seen them. She don't even know if she got these yet, man. So I'm giving y'all the look at them before she even sees them. So make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Your boy Jay bringing it to y'all before I bring it to my wife. She might not like that, but hey, man, I do it for the family. You feel what I'm saying? But yes, man, look at the pink, how I go off the pink in my hat, right? That's crazy, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. But anyways, we do have the Vomeros, y'all. The silver and pink. These are actually kind of hard, bruh. Not for me, but these are hard. I think she gonna like these a lot. She definitely gonna like these, man. Bang! Take a look at them right there. As you can see, like I said, these did sell out. They released last week via the Nike app, man. They sold out within, I want to say 30 minutes or so, man. Every size sold out. But yeah, man, I was able to get my wife a pair, so she does have the pink and silver Vomeros. Comment down below, did you know these dropped? I have not seen these in stores. The only place I've seen them was on that Nike app, man. I didn't even know they were releasing until I got a notification, man. So yeah, W for the wifey. She do got the Vomeros now in the collection, and yeah, I think she's gonna like these, y'all. But let's keep it moving on to the next topic, y'all. Bang! So yes sir, man, a little bit off topic, we gotta veer off. I told y'all there's a lot of things to talk about in this video. Right now I want to take the time to talk about some Air Max, y'all. And I know y'all see the colorway. What is going on behind the hype with this shoe, y'all? We do got a set upcoming Air Max 95, which is in the neon colorway, that is set to be releasing on April 4th. I want to say retail for like 180, might be more than that, but I want to say around 180. This right here is the pair that released 5 years ago. These released back in 2020. I do have my pair still clean, y'all. My D-boys, man. My Air Max 95 Neon OG bang things. You see what's going on with them right there, man. Mine's are still crispy, still clean. Do I need to sit up here and tell y'all that I am anxious to get my hands on this new pair, y'all? And this actually has these little inserts that this one came with. I wonder if the new pair is gonna come with little additives like this, you know what I'm saying? But it did come with things such as this, man. But do I need, y'all? I haven't even brought these out, I wanna say, since I did my on feet to these. So I do have an on feet to these. You might be seeing it somewhere up there in a card. But yeah, y'all, these right here, 5 years old, bang, the Air Max 95 Neons. Now, the difference between this pair and the pair that is set to be releasing next week, April 4th, is, of course, it will have the big bubble design on it, y'all. So it is the Air Max 95 OG Neon Big Bubbles. If you guys are familiar with recent releases from Air Maxes and Nike's lineup, they have been doing a lot of big bubbles. We've seen Air Max 1 big bubbles, you know what I'm saying, the OG colorways and things like that. But this one right here is more true to the OG, of course, because it has that regular size air bubble on it, man. And prices on these have went up a lot, you know what I'm saying. But it does have a lot of demand behind the pair that is set to be releasing on April 4th. I will have some of those available over at JTSG Closet. Just a heads up, if y'all want to get y'all hands on a pair, hit me up over at JTSG Closet once you see me post it, and I'll be able to get them for y'all. But yes, man, I just wanted to shed some light on the Air Max 95 D-boy things, you know. But yes, these right here, set to be releasing, not this in particular pair, but a version of it set to be releasing next week. Just wanted to shed some light on that because a lot of people are hooplying and fussing about that shoe. So without any further ado, y'all, let's go ahead and switch gears and move to the first look, and then we'll talk about some things going on this week, y'all. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir, the box is crispy. The shoes gotta be hard. I haven't even looked at them yet. Bang! You see what's going on, man. So by taking a look at the box, you know what kind of shoe this is, man. Shout out to KOBEBRYANT, man. Rest in peace to him. His legacy is continuing on, man. They're keeping his name alive through shoes and through other things. But this right here is a pair that will instantly sell out, y'all. This will be a tough cop. Letting y'all know that right now, y'all. It will be a handful of people who will have these at stores, but the majority of the stock will be via the Sneakers app. These released early, I want to say, on the West Coast. Not even want to say. They did release early on the West Coast. I want to say, was it Kith? I want to say it was Kith that dropped these early, but I do have here the Kobe 6 Protro Game Royal White, y'all. Now this shoe was a friends and family pair a few years ago, going for crazy amounts of dollars, thousands of dollars, and we officially got them releasing as a general release in 2025, y'all. But this is a size 9.5, as you can see, which means that is mine, you know what I'm saying? That's my personal size, y'all. But take a look at it. You do got the gold hole, you got the Mamba logo, and then you got the Mamba skin all throughout the box. Very premium style box, as you can see, and it isn't a lift over lid, it is a pull off lid, so the whole entire lid does come off. It does reveal, of course, the all over black lid, and like I said, I haven't seen these yet, so this is a first. But you do got the black Mamba skin going throughout it with the Mamba logo in gold. Move that out the way. Let's see what's underneath it. White paper, which has, it looked like it has Mamba type of scales on the white paper as well, man. So nice little dope touch. Let me turn it this way and give y'all a first look, as well as my first look of the upcoming Kobe 6 Protro Dodgers. Woo! Bang! Yes sir, man. I told y'all, look, man, sometimes you got, here you go, wifey, here you go, so I can get my shoes like this, because boy, I got my head cracked open for this, man. Make sure y'all hit the thumbs up for your boy Jay hitting y'all with this early look. But yes sir, man, we do got, oh man, these is clean. Woo-wee. Yes sir, man, we got, oh man, the Kobe Protros, man, the LA Dodger joints. Like I said, y'all, this was a friends and family pair, y'all. These released some years back, maybe a year or two back, and they were just exclusive to, of course, player and friends and family. But we do have a general release releasing on the 14th of April. I want to say the date is, but super clean, y'all. Bang! Here they go right here, man. Take a look at it. You do got the number 8 for Kobe's number right there on the back half. You have that all over blue. And take a look at the detailing on the front. You got that baseball type of look with the red stitching going throughout the tongue. And you do got, of course, Kobe's logo on the back. Regular things that you do have on the Kobe Protros, man. But these are super clean, bro. Super clean pair of Kobe's. Will I be wearing these if I double up? If I get another pair for retail, I'll throw them on feet. For right now, this is just a collector's piece, man. Take a look at, of course, the extra laces. The white, it does have the red line at the top of the bag, and you do got Nike written on it. And we got some, yeah, just some blue lace tips, man. You got some blue lace tips on there. I thought it was something written, but blue lace tips there. They could have gave us some red lace tips on the blue laces. That would have been hard, but we just got all blued out laces that come in it. But these are cold, man. This is a cold Kobe sneaker, man. But like I said, these are set to be releasing next month. Comment down below your first thoughts on these, y'all. These are nice, man. These are nice, man. And your boy Jay has got another pair of Kobe's on the way. That will be here on the channel very soon, man. So hit the thumbs up. I got some more coming to y'all. But I am very, very pleased with this pair, y'all. These go crazy. These definitely go crazy, man. RP to Kobe again. But the Kobe 6 Dodgers, LA Dodgers joints, man. These are JTSG approved, man. But take a look at them one last time. Very clean looking shoe. Mamba scales throughout the upper, the 8, the signature. What else can I say about them, man? They just fly, man. And take a look at the bottom. I ain't showed y'all the bottom. Take a look at the bottom outsoles of them. Clean pair, man. Shout out to everyone who got their hands on these via that release. It was a release, like I said, I want to say only at Kith. No other stores released them. But these are slowly going down in price. I want to say they'll settle around maybe high 2s, 3 something once the smoke clears, if they're not that limited. But if they're real limited, y'all, it's gonna be 400 plus on these. But like I said, I think that these will be limited. But if it's more than expected, you know, they'll settle around high 2s, 3 something, depending on size. Yeah. Big sizes, 350 plus. Easy. But yeah, man, that is pretty much the Kobe's that are releasing early next month, or mid next month. Actually, the 14th is mid next month. But that is it for these, man. Let's go ahead and talk about some other things going on this week. With all the first looks and unboxings out the way, y'all, let's dive into what's going on this week. Monday, slow day. Tuesday, slow day. But on Wednesday, we got a shoe that's stirring up a little noise. You know what I'm saying? We do have a Air Max 1 releasing. It is the Big Head, something like that. The Donkey Kong joints is what I call them, man. The Donkey Kong Air Max 1s will be releasing on Wednesday. Retail will be $160. So the hype beast in me is kind of coming out, y'all. And I don't want to say it's a hype beast thing. It's more of a nostalgic thing, man. Your boy Jay grew up playing Donkey Kong and games like that. And the theme of this shoe is just dope, man. Your boy Jay is a fan of things like that. Like, for example, your boy Jay plays Madden, you know what I'm saying? Bang! So I own, of course, Madden Air Max, you know what I'm saying? It's just sometimes the themes of a shoe brings you back to a certain time and place, and you know, you gotta cop, you know, it just is what it is. But I do have, of course, the Madden joints, and I think the Donkey Kongs, you know, wouldn't be a bad pickup, y'all. But releasing on Wednesday, $160. I know I said $180. It's $160. That's the correct price tag on them, and I think that's fair. I think I'll go after a pair, but it's retail a bust for me. If I don't hit them for retail, I'm done with them. But when I first seen that shoe, it does have like that same type of design of what Kai Cenat did with his white and red pair, like those sharp edges on the swoosh and stuff like that. I think it's like a nice little look in addition to the Air Max 1. So Donkey Kong joints, I would be a donkey not to go for them, you know what I'm saying? So if I hit for retail, it's meant to be. If I don't, I'm on to the next shoe. Speaking of the next shoe, y'all, on Saturday, Saturday we got a double whammy. I don't know why Nike and Jordan Brand decided to do it like this. It's one of them consolation prize things, I guess, because if you don't hit one, which there will be a lot of L's on, you will have a consolation prize. So they kind of giving you, you know, the choice to either get A or B, and you know, we know what everyone's #1 choice is gonna be. Bang! The Jordan 3 Ma Maniére, y'all. These are set to be releasing on the 29th, which is this upcoming Saturday. Now, a lot of people already got their pairs locked in, such as myself, of course. But outside of this, they will be releasing an Air Force 1 and a Air Max. And your boy Jay took a W on the Air Max. Yes, that's what I mean by such as myself. I wasn't talking about these because I've been had these. I've been in the past, you know what I'm saying? But the Air Maxes, I did take a W on those, as well as I seen a lot of people posting their W's that they did get on these. And if you guys have not entered in the raffle, y'all. It is still open. I want to say it's open until the last day, which is the 28th. I called them earlier and I asked them how they'll be doing their release. They're not doing any online release. Everything will be raffled online, and they said they will do a first come first serve as of right now. As of right now, they'll be doing a first come first serve at the Ma Maniére locations. I don't know if they'll have them at social status, etc., etc., but I know that there will not be as much quantity available as we've seen in recent Ma Manières, such as, of course, the 3s, the black pair. We do not have that much quantity, so it will be more of a limited cop. So congrats to everyone who already got their pair secured. You got it out the way. But those of y'all who are trying to get these and you don't have them locked in yet, I would suggest that you do get in those raffles. It is open right now at the time of making this video. Like I said, I wouldn't wait till the last day, but she said she thinks it's open until the 28th. I would take that with a grain of salt because she sounded like she wasn't too sure. So I would get in right now where I fit in and try to get in on this raffle. So the good news is that, like I said, you will have a chance to get these, and there are a lot of W's out there right now. A lot of people are scoring W's, so take advantage of that. But the bad news is, on the flip side, that will be the only place that you can get them. They will not be releasing via the Sneakers app like the next shoe that I'm going to be talking about. Nope. So your only chance at securing these as of right now will be via Ma Maniere's website doing that raffle, or going in person, first come first serve, or however they do it at each store's location. But with that being said, y'all, with the collabs in these upcoming shoes, it looks like Nike sneakers is starting to do more exclusive accesses and these certain types of releases. They're not dropping collabs and things as a full stock release where everyone can get their hands on it. They're doing an exclusive access to get exclusive access, which is crazy. So they're doing those types of things. So if we even do get a release via the Sneakers app down the line, I would probably put my bottom dollar on saying that they'll do something exclusive. It won't be a big drop, y'all. So if you want them, your best chance at getting them will be via Ma Maniére. Get in on those raffles right now, and you know, find a way to get to a Ma Maniére near you so you can get them first come first serve. There'll be tons of pairs if you do line up at a first come first serve. Not to say that you'll be guaranteed a pair, but your chances will be a lot higher, man. But that is pretty much it for the Ma Maniére talk on the 29th. Whew! Also releasing on the 29th. Feels like I'm talking about this shoe too much, y'all. They pump faked on us, man. We do got the Air Jordan 1 Obsidians, y'all. Finally supposed to be releasing this weekend on the 29th. A lot of y'all was like, man, it don't even matter that they pushed them back. They gonna sit if you release them today. They gonna sit if you release them a year from now. You know what I'm saying? But you might be right, y'all, because like I said, the attention is on other shoes, but this is a clean shoe, you know what I'm saying? And they will be releasing officially this weekend if they don't pull the plug again for some strange reason. But these will be releasing via the Nike Sneakers app. You will have a way better shot at getting these than the Ma Maniére 3s, but don't sleep on these nonetheless. Like I said, this is a clean pair of Jordan 1s, and shoes are not sitting around that much longer anymore, y'all. So if you want these, I would not play with them. I would go ahead and try to secure a pair while you can, because I expect for these to dry up pretty fast, y'all. These will not be around for as long as you might expect, because they're just Jordan 1 lows. I know they're gonna sit X, Y, and Z. Who knows? They might surprise you. These will sell out on the Sneakers app. I guarantee you. These will sell out on the Sneakers app, which you will have to resort to your local area stores and things like that. And like I said, there's no telling how much stock is out there and how long they'll sit around. So this is one that I would say don't take lightly. If you want them, go ahead and cop them on Saturday. Don't play with them, have them secure. But that's pretty much what's going on, man. Hopefully y'all took something from this video. Showed y'all an early look, showed y'all the white kicks, and yeah, man, we chopped it up. But tomorrow I got a banger for y'all, man. Run up the videos. I will show y'all one of the most upcoming anticipated sneakers. I want to say these release in June, the shoe that I have tomorrow, y'all. And it actually might be the first look of it on YouTube. You know I'm gonna bring it to y'all, man. So hey, make sure y'all stay tuned. Hit that thumbs up, comment down below anything that you've seen that you liked in the videos, your thoughts on the Kobes or anything. Let me know. Appreciate y'all as always. Hit that subscribe button. Roll to 200K. Y'all stay blessed. Are y'all feeling the fitted today, man? Are y'all feeling the fitted, man? This one is special. This one is special. You know what I'm saying? Cost a pretty penny, but your boy Jay is out. To the next one. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gone, man.